Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a vertical text on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to insert a vertical text on your WPS presentation, we're just going to show. So to insert the vertical text, it's simple actually. So I just going to double tap here and just going to add some text here. So I just going to update or okay, let's type first. So I just type as update. Now I just need to change the text to the vertical size. You can see an option on the home section and the bottom section called vertical and horizontal. You just need to click on vertical. It automatically changes to the vertical. Now you just need to click on the box here and you can just resize the text like this so it will be fit here. Otherwise you can just want to extend the box like this and you can just change. This is how you just insert the vertical text on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. I think this video helped. Do not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.